The Spectrum TV app allows Spectrum subscribers to stream live TV, on demand content, and DVR recordings directly on compatible Samsung Smart TVs. To find the app, press the Smart Hub or Home button on your Samsung TV remote. Navigate to the Apps section and use the search bar to type Spectrum TV. If the app appears, select it and click Download to begin the installation. The installation typically takes 1 to 2 minutes. If the app does not appear in the search results, ensure your TV is connected to the internet and that its firmware is up to date by checking Settings, Support, Software Update. Note that the app is pre-installed on many newer Samsung TVs, e.g. 22 and later models. As of 2025, the app is generally available in the US for Spectrum cable subscribers. Once the Spectrum TV app is installed, you can launch it from the Apps menu on your Samsung TV. Upon opening the app, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Spectrum username and password. You may also need to enter a verification code sent to your linked email or phone. After logging in, you can access the live channel guide to browse available channels and shows. You can manage DVR recordings, including viewing and deleting saved shows. You can set parental controls to restrict content access based on ratings. If you encounter issues such as the app freezing, try power cycling the TV or clearing the app's data via Settings, Apps, Spectrum TV, Clear Data. Remember that an active Spectrum subscription and internet connection are required to use the app. For optimal performance, a minimum internet speed of 25 Mbps is recommended for HD streaming.